Hey, as part of my Unit 0 orientation, I wanted to do a video showing the SparkFun Red board versus my current Arduino. Now, one of the reasons why I took this course is because I had purchased an Arduino a couple of years ago and just couldn't seem to find the time to play with it very much. So this is the Red board, obviously, and this is the other Arduino that I have. This is a Sane Smart, and you'll see that they're quite different in how they're actually configured and laid out. And I guess that speaks to the open architecture of the Arduino project. So a couple things I noticed when I looked at the Red board compared to this Sane Smart. One of the biggest complaints that I have about this board is that it doesn't tell you which pins provide a pulse width modulation. And you can see that the little tildes provide it for us on the Red board, which is really nice. You notice this one has a ton of extra pins because it has all these male connectors on here. I haven't come across a single example that actually uses it, so I don't know how useful they are. They may be useful. Another thing that we notice is this Arduino uses a Type A USB, which takes up a lot more space compared to the SparkFun uses the Mini A USB. A couple other things that are interesting. This one actually comes with a switch to change it from 5 volts to 3 volts. Once again, I haven't seen any examples that actually use that feature, but it can. The other thing that I noticed compared to the two boards is the design on the back, the actual cleanliness of it. This one is just tons and tons of studs and globs of solder. The Red board was super clean. I've mounted it on here now. I won't take it off, but I was pretty impressed by how clean it was. So yeah, those are two different Arduino Unos. But you can tell that there's a lot more thought and care put into the Red board compared to this Sane Smart. And then coming off of that as well, the kit seems to be really well put together. The Sane Smart kit was a PDF. It's in really broken English, and a lot of the components seem to be fairly cheap components. This kit seems to be pretty good, and playing with it so far has been a lot of fun. One of the other things I want to do in this course is I actually picked up a few of these Arduino Nanos a number of months ago. They were about, I think, $5 each, and I think I got 5 of them in a bundle. So they come with the Mini A as well. So for about $5, it's going to be interesting to see what these things can do, especially when we think about doing a robotics project. This obviously will fit in a lot tighter corners than one of these big boards will. So anyway, as far as installing, I use both a Mac and a PC. I found the IDE installs fine on both of them, and it's virtually identical. There doesn't seem to be any issues, any compatibility issues. I run my sketches on either or, and there doesn't seem to be any single problem. So anyway, I thought I'd show you guys the difference between an older Arduino that I had and this newer Red board one, which I'm excited to get hacking on. Thanks.